camera and record the main sanitary sewer line for residence 7116 Davis Court. We're going to go ahead and record from 50 feet back to 0. Just for you to identify what we are looking at, we are currently in cast iron sewer. We are at an angle facing downward, as you can see by those drips falling off the lens. This is pretty much a straight downward pipe right now. It's kind of like a riser, if you want to put it that way. The reason why this pipe is installed this way is because they're trying to catch the depth of the manhole out of the side of the property. Okay, so we're coming to the top of that riser, and we're at what's called a 90-degree drop. Just for you to know how we're standing, the camera is currently upside down. Your top right hand side of the screen has the time of the day. That is the bottom of the pipe. The top of the pipe is on the bottom left hand side of the screen. At this point right here, we have a problem. If you notice, there's water retention which just got above my lens. That is called a belly. The belly is not that big, but it is deep enough to cause problems. The pipe is not broken. Okay, let's make that clear. The pipe is not broken, but that belly is definitely a defect that needs to be addressed. As we continue coming back, we're still in cast iron pipe in pretty decent shape. Alright, stop right there. We notice just ahead by the number 38, if you notice on the bottom right hand side of your screen it says 38 feet. That's a minor dislocation and drop of the pipe. Not necessarily a threat, but regardless, it's there. Okay, we keep on coming back. Keep on coming back. Alright, the camera's getting a little bumpy right around here. Okay, notice to the bottom of your screen, which is the top of the pipe, it looks a little fuzzy. That fuzz is actually root intrusion. At this point in time, whoever cleaned this sewer did a pretty good job at removing the roots. However, these roots will be a repetitive threat to this sewer line. Okay, we continue coming back. Still in cast iron. The camera is currently laying on its side now, so therefore the bottom of the pipe is on the right hand side of your screen. This portion of the pipe is in relatively good shape. Not much buildup on the walls or on the bottom of the pipe. Okay, we are currently at a turn. This is most likely a 90-degree turn. Right about there. Okay. That's in the back of the yard. Sorry, in the backyard of the house. How about that? Okay, continue on our way back. Pipe still looking relatively good. Good cast iron with good slope. Not much buildup. Okay, we're getting pretty close to the house now. I apologize, the foot counter is actually off by a few feet. Okay, this is what's called a transition. This is the transition from the inside ABS black plastic pipe to the outside cast iron. Notice the walls on the ABS black plastic. Very smooth compared to the walls in the cast iron. A little rough, as you can see right there. Regardless, cast iron is still looking good. ABS is looking great. So we're going to continue our recording, coming back to the point of access to the sewer. Okay, we're currently in the riser stack that we accessed in the basement. We're coming up this stack. Alright, there we are.